Hello friends, I'm Professor Dr. Dinesh Gupta and today I'm going to talk about myself. A lot of people they know maybe, but today I'm going to enlighten some different types of Dinesh Gupta in front of you. And I started my career from ITI and I was turner. I used to work on lathe machine, fitter and machinist, and that was my different kind of journey. And one person he came in my ITI institute in Ambernath ITI Institute, government ITI, and he gave the very fantastic statement, and after listening his speech my life has transformed, 180-degree transformed. Really, I don't know his name because that is a 1997 story, 1996 or 95 story, exact I don't know that year, but 96 to 97 that is story. And that person has gave the very fantastic line, and he told that we all cannot become doctor, engineer. We are cannot become, because some person they have to go for accountant, some they have to go for turner, some they have to go for welding job, somebody has to become different trade they have to choose and they have to work there. But one thing we all can do, and that is we can become doctor, engineer of our field. Really, we can become doctor and engineer of our field. What is your field? Maybe you are conductor, maybe you are driver, maybe you are garage worker, maybe you are machine operator, maybe you are tailor, maybe you are computer operator, maybe you are telemarketer. But you can do one thing, you can become a doctor and engineer of your field. This thing I am going to share with you, and really this line has transformed me. 180-degree, this line has transformed me, and after listening to that person, that's really I respect. Still I have very it's a very full respect in my heart for that person. And after listening to him, I started to read the book, and I read one book, and the name of that book was You Can Win. And that book has really transformed me. I read 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, still I am reading that book. Every time I am reading book, the wisdom of that book really is priceless. It's priceless. After that I read many books, but highly recommended to you to read that book. And after that I searched for the diploma college, part-time diploma college, and I got my name in Sabu Siddiq Diploma Engineering College. I completed my 4-year engineering from that college. First year was very dangerous because at that time my English was not good. So, but I don't know how I completed first year. But after next year, I started to work on myself. Really, I started to work on myself, and I read many books. I met many people, and I used to work. I used to work in different organizations, because that was a part-time engineering college. So after completing engineering, diploma engineering, I got admission in AMI and associate member of Institute of Engineers. I completed my bachelor from Institute of Mechanical Engineers, and after that I tried for IIT Mumbai. It was first year was very difficult because one course is there, post graduation diploma in embedded system. I got my number there and I registered. I got my number, I selected, and I started to do my post graduation from IIT Mumbai. So that was a very different journey, ITI and IIT Mumbai. It was really, actually this thing I have come to know about when I was analyzed what is my education and what I am doing. So one day I was analyzed myself. I started my career from ITI, then this, because I was so busy about doing something new, invention, something new thing. Very busy I was about searching the new things about career. And I used to work because I didn't sit home a single day after completing ITI. I am telling you, I didn't sit a single day at my home. Every day I am doing something new. In lockdown also, every day I used to take the different webinar. I used to meet the different call to many people. I write book. So still I am writing my book. So all these things I am doing every day. So my suggestion to you also, this thing I did from ITI to IIT Mumbai. After that, I got a PhD from Nelson Mandela University, and after that, I got DLED from Global Peace University. That is my education journey. In 2001, I started to work as an engineer, Zytec Corporation, a German company, and I was their service engineer. I started my career as a service engineer, and after that I became a assistant general manager in Sur Mandir Music Company. So I was there. After that I had been to many countries. I had been to more than 12, 13, 15 countries I had been to. I worked there, and in part time I used to work, and Saturday, Sunday I used to go in different institutes. I used to give the lecture, different organization, and that was my work as well as that lectures. You can say that industrial as well as that lectures or motivation trainer experience I got. After that I wrote in 2006 I wrote one book. You can Vijay Bhava. You can say that you can win, but Vijay Bhava. So that book is in Hindi, and for that book I got letter from President Office, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, and he mentioned that we are very happy to receive your book, and really being an engineer you are doing this noble work for society, for student. So he gave me the congratulations. That was a very different kind of experience. I cannot share that that feeling, but very different kind of share, and this letter made me celebrity. In 2006 I started to write different book. So after that I wrote many book, and now my last book is 9th book, and that is about Bhagavad Gita. So different mindset, different people, different mindset, how anybody can achieve the success, achieve their goal in life. So this book is about that. I met many celebrity, many people, and I got blessed from the different people. That was a really very different kind of experience. And one thing I want to share with all people is what you can do. After that, since 2011, I started to try for Limca Book of Record and different kind of book of record. In 2018, in month of August, I made one record, and that was I wrote 207 poem in 12 hours. That was a different kind of records, and I got my name registered in Golden Book of Records. After that, I made many different kind of record, like in A3 size paper, I made 161 Ganesh drawing. Continuously, I drawing for pencil marathon. I did for Limca Book of Record. In 2020, Limca Book of Records, my name has entered. 2021 also I applied. Let's see what happened. So different world record I made, and everything. This connect to dot. You can say that I did this, I did this. And now when you connect all these things, so some very different kind of masterpiece you can find from my life. And people asking what is your motto? Your greatness is my motto. Really, your greatness is my motto. Till now 2500 lecture I have given, and in every lecture I try to inspire the people. I motivate the people regarding to find their passion, achieve their passion, execute their passion, and live happy life. That is my motto. If I am giving you fish, I am helping for one day. Really, if I am giving you fish, I am helping for one day. But if I am teaching you how to fish it, I am helping for lifetime. Same like happiness. Really, your true potential. I am here to find out your true potential, to unveil your true potential, and show your mirror, show your face. This is you. Lot of people, they can do anything, but they don't know. Really, they are unaware. They maybe forget about themselves. I am telling you, every person is princess. But our civilized that people, our society, they make him or her frog. Please don't become frog. You are a princess, believe me. And the one line, that line has changed. I'm living this line. I'm telling you, I'm living this line. Whatever whatever mind of man conceive and believe, it can be achieved. Whatever you think, whatever you believe, whatever you conceive can be achieved. You have to program yourself. What you want from life, really what you want from life, you have to decide today. I want this thing, I want this thing, I want this thing. And definitely, if you think, you can achieve. Really. Thank you very much.